Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. I have a Galaxy DX959. Sebastian in New Jersey sent me. Asked me to put a Viagra kit, receiver improvement modifications and some tune-ups, and to do a slider mod and see what kind of range we got on our slider here. So we can go up 6. That's 10. That's 20, 26, 27. Crazy range down. It's 30K down. I don't know why that one's so wide. Alright, and then the Viagra is on this switch here. You go up into the upper side of channels and go to the lower side of channels. Okay. And for the tune-up over here, Sebastian, we have 10 watts across the top scale. Coming in about 5 all the way up, and 1 all the way down. Okay, I think I got rid of that beat. 50 watts on the peak reading meter. We'll be looking right in here, around 30 watts.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio.
And turn down for sideband. Audio. Turn this down. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Okay. How about it, Channel 19 guy? Anybody out there today? Give me a radio check. Break, break, break. I appreciate it, driver. Have fun. I think you called me.